Hi, I'm Diana, the artist behind My McDoodles. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make holographic stickers that you can print at home. These are really fun just to print for yourself or to sell in your Etsy shop. I'll also show you some other ways that you can make them holographic or glittery at home, and also some print shops that I like to use to get them professionally printed. I'll show you how to set up your artwork so that you have little areas that shine through, which will be glittery or holographic when you get them printed from a professional website. But first, let's just dive into doing it at home with a DIY option or printing on your home printer. You'll need some holographic vinyl. I used this pack and it worked well for me. Some brands require pigment ink. Just check your pack before you print or before you buy it so you know which type of ink it requires. My Canon Pixma IX6820 uses dye-based ink for the color and pigment ink for the black. You might need to waterproof your stickers if you're using dye-based ink with laminate or Krylon spray. To make a sticker like this, you could just fill an 8.5 by 11 canvas with an image and print it out and then cut it with scissors. This looks really nice with the color and the holographic vinyl showing through, but I also think it looks nice when the design is pretty opaque with just a little bit of the hologram showing. You can also make hologram stickers using laminate. I covered this in a previous video. There's self-stick laminate or heat-activated laminate that you would put through a machine. You can go on Etsy and type in sticker lamination, and there are tons of options here. A lot of them are self-stick, which makes it really easy. I got some vinyl from this shop, which I don't mind sharing my secrets because I want you to be able to support this small business, and I've also used this shop. You can browse their selections to see if something works for you. I've already made a video demonstrating how I use the holographic laminate to make my stickers at home, so I won't reiterate everything in the video, but I'll put it in the cards in the description in the upper right hand corner. This was a really cost-effective way for me to get started making stickers without worrying about purchasing in bulk from a professional printer. Here are the stickers I made using this method. You can see how sparkly they turned out and they look really nice. I would recommend this method for beginners because there wasn't a lot of upfront investment and the method wasn't that hard. I'll put the links in the description. And of course you can cut it with a Cricut. I use a Cricut Explorer Air 2. For holographic vinyl, you'll need to follow the same precautions you would use when printing and cutting on glossy vinyl. This can sometimes trip up your Cricut, but there are ways you can get around the problems that are associated with glossy vinyl, like matting the guidelines so your Cricut can read the guide and cut the images properly, and a few other things. I covered all of this in a previous video as well, so I'll go ahead and link it up in the cards for you so you don't have to re-watch a full tutorial on printing and cutting on glossy vinyl. So you would follow the same steps for holographic vinyl. If you don't want your Cricut to cut right on the edge of your design, you need to put a white border around it. I do this when I'm setting up my image in Procreate. I put a border all around using the monoline brush. This gives my Cricut a little leeway in case the calibration is off. Then I export it as a PNG and upload that single PNG into Cricut Design Space and arrange my stickers within that app. Cricut supports a canvas size up to 6 3/4 by 9 1/4 inches. You won't be able to print as many stickers, but the cut lines are so much cleaner with the Cricut machine. Save your scraps so you can use them for other Cricut projects. If you would rather just have all of this done for you, you can certainly use print-on-demand websites. Some printers that I like are Sticker App, Moo, Sticker Mule, there's Jukebox, and plenty of others if you just do a quick Google search. I posted this YouTube short on how I set up my designs to be printed professionally when it's a glittery or holographic sticker. I erase little bits and pieces out of my design so that the glitter or the hologram material will show through, and the colored ink is printed much more opaque than it would come out on your home printer, so that area just looks like glossy vinyl and then the glittery areas really shine. Sticker App also has a lot of choices for what material you can print your stickers on. I've also used Sticker Mule for holographic stickers, and they have a more transparent way of printing the colored area of your design, so the whole sticker looks like a hologram. It's not as opaque as Sticker App. It really just depends what kind of look you're going for. They were both printed very professionally. I hope this tutorial was helpful and fun for you. Stickers are so much fun no matter which method you choose. Comment below and let me know which type of sticker you're going to make. And if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below as well. I'm happy to help answer them if I'm able to. If you post your work on Instagram, be sure to tag me at MyMcDoodles so I can see what you created. You can also find me at DianaMcDermott.com, where I share my illustrations and freebies in my Doodle Squad. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe before you go so you don't miss out on the next fun tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. See you.